Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to do reverse applique. It's kind of a fun method to use if you would like your applique pieces to be pieced and you don't want to deal with those seams as you're turning, you're going appliquing them down. So the quilt behind me uses this method as a color wash, and it is done just like blanket stitching around, and the quilt here in front of me has it done with a needle turn. So you can choose to do whichever method is best for you. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. First up, I wanted to show you, this is just a color wash. I just used like 9 patches, so there was a yellow and kind of a golden and then brown, and this is orange and red. And I just did 9 patches of the different colors, so the leaves would change kind of color as you did that. And this one is needle turned. I just needle turned the edge under. All right. For this demo, I'm going to use just some made fabric. I have this little heart here. And then this will be my fabric that will go on top. What we're going to want to do is I'm just going to fold this in half here. I'm going to set this on. I'm just going to do it halfway. And then I'm going to trace around that heart. So this is what I have. If you are going to needle turn, you're going to want to come in. You won't want to do this darker color out here. You might want to use a chalk pencil or something, but it wouldn't show up for you if I did that. So if you're going to do needle turn, you're going to take your scissors, you're going to come in 1/4 of an inch and just cut that around inside. And then we're going to place it on our fabric. Find the area that we like. What do we like? And then you can pin it, or I like to use a glue stick. Then you're going to take your needle and thread. You're going to scoot this under so you go to that line. And then you're just going to catch a thread on the fore fabric. Go back down into your made fabric or your color wash. Come up again. And you're just going to do that all the way around your shape. And if you're gonna do it the buttonhole stitch on your machine, then you're gonna trace it, and we're gonna cut right out on the line. And then we're gonna take our fabric, place it where we want it to show through. Once again, we're going to glue it in place, or if you prefer pinning, you can do that. Lots of threads here. Okay, and then we're going to take that to our machine. Set your machine on its buttonhole stitch, and we're just going to stitch this around the edge here. As you get to curves, you might want to just put your needle down and kind of pivot so that you can follow the edge. Then you can just cut the excess away. All right, and then you just have this cute little thing. You can make a pin cushion, you could make a pocket. It's just really a cute way to do some applique. Experiment with it, have fun. Make sure you share with me what you've done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.